Alright guys, so we now just left the room and we are on the way to go meet our fishing tour guides. So now we're just going back down the hill, and hopefully they're there waiting on us. Pickup time is 8:45, and then we're gonna be heading to the pier.
Young Apollo with the win.
They cannot speak English, so I'll go with you today. So after this, your name, nationality, and passport, and all.
Alright guys, we made it here. We're at the pier now. We're at Shillong Bay Pier. Let me show you what it looks like.
Young Apollo with the win.
Alright guys, we headed out on our fishing trip. Look at me in my little life jacket. Look at my babes. Hey baby. It was my bright idea to sit in the front of the boat.
Yeah, I gotta give her props, y'all. Gotta give her props.
But I'm scared at the same time because I don't know how fast we're gonna go. But look at the view. You good, babe?
This is so dope. This is so dope, y'all.
Are you okay?
I'm great. About to have a fun day, a full day of fishing.
The best seats in the house.
Young Apollo
portion of our fishing trip, and now we're gonna be heading to another island. We were trawling before, but we didn't catch anything. So now we're probably gonna go to another part of the ocean here. They haven't told us what the island's called, but we'll let y'all know. So hopefully we catch something, and if not, we'll let y'all know.
We hadn't caught anything yet, guys. Still out here. But babe's still working for that fish. Come on, babes.
I'm trying, y'all. Somebody caught a squid already, and that's our bait.
Have like 3 hotels, I think. The Raja and Raya Bungalow and Ban Raya also. It's nice, it's big. Big island.
We stopped here,
So they're gonna stop here for
and
bottom.
now we're gonna go bottom fishing, and hopefully we catch something.
Is it coming up?
Just keep going. So guys, we're still here by Raya Island. We fished for about a few hours, but no luck, didn't catch anything. So it looks like we're now headed back to Patong. Might go to Bangla Road tonight and go walk that, go see what's what, and then pack it in and call it a night. So see you later.
Hey guys, so we are on our way. We're gonna hit the beach for a bit, and then we're gonna go to the mobile store today. But right now we're also gonna go find us something to eat as well. We stopped and got us a little tea from 7-Eleven. What you get, babes?
I got a coffee, caramel mocha.
And I got a Thai tea, and it is so good. But right now, this is how we get from our hotel to the beach. It's really not far at all. We've been walking for maybe 2 minutes and the beach is now right there.
Young Apollo with the wind.
Hey guys, so we're here on Patong Beach, and we just stopped to get some street food. We got two chicken wings. Now we're getting fried rice. So this is the stall that we went to.
Young Apollo
guys, as you saw there, that's them making our fried seafood rice, and then after that we're gonna hit the beach.
Young Apollo with the win.
All the way today, but next time.
So guys, now that it's nighttime, as you'll see, the lifeguards, they switched the flag from yellow, which means that you are able to swim, to red. And red means that they're going home for the day and there's no more swimming allowed on the beach. But you know, adults will do what they want to do. So there's still a few folks that are going out and there's still a few folks that are coming in. But now we are headed home. We're gonna head probably to Bangla or probably to a restaurant, grab a quick bite, hopefully meet some new friends and gain some new relationships and have a few drinks.
Yes, if it doesn't rain. Like we said, every time we try to go to Bangalore, it rains. So hopefully not. We can show y'all Bangla.
All right, guys, this is Chris and April, and we are here heading home from Patong Beach.